Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a great step to take off up to 15 years of your age. Okay, hold on. This is actually literally going to make you look younger. It is a great drink that actually reverse your age and give you that baby face. It's literally going to work from the inside out. So when you actually take it inside, it's going to reflect from the outside, make your skin look super duper soft and really radiant. Okay guys, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video. And now let us go. Okay guys, let me show you how you can take off some few years off your age, like about 15 years. Okay, so the very first ingredients you're gonna be needing for this will be egg. Now egg has a tightening remedy that helps to tighten up your skin, and it reduces the size of an open pores. It also helps to firm the skin, removing fine lines and as well as wrinkles. So it's gonna be ideal when it comes to making you look younger and having a baby face. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna be taking in my bowl, and I have an egg that I've already opened, and then I will be turning that into the bowl. And after that, I'm gonna be stirring it and stirring it all up like that. Okay, so in this particular one, you need the egg whites as well as the egg yolk inclusive. So you will also be needing banana. Now banana is a great moisturizing agent that helps. You didn't bring honey, there's honey here. That helps to nourish up the skin and also make the skin look even, glowing, toned up and beautiful. So we're gonna be peeling just one ripe banana. This banana is actually very ripe, that is so soft. So I'm gonna be using my mortar to just smash this. Okay, so now I would have to be using my mortar to smash and blend this banana. Okay, so you just give me a little time and banana will be ready and blended and mash. Yeah, it's gonna be a mashed banana. Okay guys, so I'm done with the banana, and now we're gonna be turning the banana into the egg whites and yolk, and then we would be stirring and mixing it all up together. So the very next ingredient which we are going to be needing will be honey. Now honey is a great moisturizing agent to the skin that helps the skin glow. It moisturizes and tightens up the skin alongside with the banana. So you're definitely going to be looking younger the minute you start using this face mask or body mask. So I'm gonna be putting my organic honey, 2 tablespoons. So make sure that when you want to do this guys, use organic honey. Use organic honey. Don't use all of those adulterated honey that would not work. When you use organic honey, that's when you begin to see see it working, see all of the goodness in this. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to be mixing and stirring it up really good. And then the very last ingredient, which is very important and also needed, is grape. All right, so in this we have vitamin C, we have vitamin D. So I have already cut grape, and vitamin C is actually very helpful in terms of nourishing and actually making the skin glow and brighter. So it therefore means that if you've actually exposed yourself to the sun too much, this mask would actually help to brighten up your skin. It will not bleach your skin, guys, but it will help to brighten it up. So as you're actually using it, it's going to help you to remove all of the dead skin cells, and then your skin is going to look rejuvenated and is going to be glowing really well. Okay, so this is it. The next thing I'll do is that I'm going to be blending just the grape. I'm not going to be putting any water, and let's try that. Okay, so I'm done blending, and now I would have to be getting a bowl and a strainer, and then I will strain the juice out of this grape. Okay. Okay guys, so this is my very little juice from my grape, and I'm gonna be turning that inside here. So if you're actually taking grape, you know that you're actually taking much of the fiber than the juice. Okay, so this is it, and trust me guys, this mask is going to take away so many years of your age. So for this particular mask, guys, you can actually use it onto your body, your neck, your face, your legs, literally like everywhere. It's just a body mask, okay? But if you want to use it on your face, it is ideal. So I'm actually going to be showing you using my hands, yeah, because I can't stand the smell of the grape right now because of my baby. Okay, so this is how you're going to be applying this. Alright guys, so after which you're done applying it on your face or your body or your face or your hands, then the next thing you do is to give it a little scrub it in a circular motion, just like this. Okay, so this is it. Alright guys, so after scrubbing it like this for like 1 minute or 30 seconds, then you leave it onto your body. You just chill in the bathroom for another 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, let this actually soften your hands, you soften your face, reverse your age, and reverse your skin basically. Alright, and it's going to help you so much. So it's something that you can actually repeat, make it, and then you store it. You can store it and for at least 1 week, apply it every day for 1 week and see the difference. Okay, when it has started working for you, you can actually continue it. Okay, and it's going to be very effective and very, very helpful for your skin, because it's literally going to reverse your age, make you look super young and amazing. So that's it guys. All of the ingredients in here are so amazing. They are so beautiful. The mask is great and it feels really soft and great. You can actually use it on your face, your neck, your body, your leg, and your hands, literally. So it is not just face. Okay, so go give this a go, and I'm sure you are going to be loving it real good. Okay, so that's it. I will see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I would be coming your way again. Bye.